So guys, dito pa yung kaibigan natin guys, oh. Grabe guys, bata pa to guys. 11 years old. Nagbubuhat na siya ng 4 na bundle. Ano guys, 4 na bundle na. So ito guys, magaling na to. Okay guys, 3 pa lang yan ha. Kukuha pa siya ng isa guys. Para maging 4. "11 years old pa to guys. Guys, kukuha siya ng 4 guys. Guys, bilangin natin guys. 2, 3, 4. Grabe guys, napakatindi. 11 years old lang to guys ha. Grabe. Okay guys, okay.